What's good, loves? It's your girl Naturally Jazz, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. Thanks so much for tuning into the video, and if you are returning, thank you so much for being a subscriber here and just always being loyal to the channel. So guys, I know it's been a while since I've last posted. I've taken a break I just been having a lot going on, a very busy schedule, but I thank you guys so much for your patience. So I am finally back with another video. I'm here to do a reset with you guys here today. Right now I am currently just putting up some laundry here. I went ahead and washed and folded all of my bath towels. So I'm just going ahead and restocking my linen closet. I still love this linen closet in the way that I've made it functional for me. Just really nothing goes in here but mainly my towels and just a little bit of cleaning supplies I have in here, and just like some back stock on like soap and things like that I use. And I'm just going ahead and resetting this. So I'm going to do this and I'll show you guys kind of what it looks like, and then we'll get into the next thing. Also, we are very much still on the road to 800 subscribers, and I'm still trying to get there to be able to do a giveaway. I love my community that I have built so far and my supporters here, so I would love to have you join the channel if you have not already, to get us to that 800. And I hope to like one day do like a big event to kind of meet some of you that are close to me. But yeah, get us to 800. And here is the linen closet. If you're not new here, then you guys have pretty much probably seen this before, but like I said, it's still very functional for me. I keep my soaps and everything that's backstock on that little shelf. I really need to restock, but yeah. And now guys, I'm just going ahead and just fluffing out this rug here. It's so comfortable. And then I'm going to move on into my laundry room, because there is always laundry to do. If you know, you know, I always have laundry. So I'm just going ahead and taking the previous load that was washed out, and I'm going to go ahead and put the other load in. If there was one thing I had to take off my household task list, it would definitely be laundry, because I feel like it's just always just so much of it. I feel like I get in the swing of getting it done and having a method down pat, but when my life gets busy and I feel like there's just not enough time in the day, then I feel like it just gets back out of hand. But I'm trying to stay on top of it. These are all the things that I'm using to kind of do my laundry. This is kind of like my little laundry mixture that I really love. And yeah, I'm just throwing in this load and then we'll move on. Now guys, moving into my entryway, I have this shoe stand here where we place our shoes. I really don't like shoes to be worn in the house, so I have this right by the door for everybody to just kick off their shoes. Mainly my kids' shoes go here, and I've moved this coat stand from this side of the front entrance to the other side, just because I feel like it's more cleaner look and it's more space for the shoe stand, but it's been very functional. And then now guys, I'm just moving on into resetting my bed. I have washed my pillowcases, my sheets, even my pillows. I just love a fresh, clean bed. I do not like dirty sheets, so I try to reset and clean them as much as I can. So I'm just going ahead and doing this, and I really am on the hunt for like some better sheets. I always get like 100% cotton on the sheets, but I have not found any that are just like 100% like wrinkle free, and I don't want to go through the hassle of like steaming my sheets and doing all that, just because I feel like that's just, I mean, I could, but I feel like I'm going to be getting right back in the bed. But I do kind of want like that hotel feel when I'm making my bed up, so I'm still trying to master that and also find good sheets and a good comforter. I love the comforter that I purchased for my bed. So far I feel like it matches as far as decor really well, but as far as the functionality of it, after I wash it, I feel like the cotton and everything gets like all stuffy and it looks really weird. I'll show you guys in just a second, but yeah. And And so here is the comforter, guys. Like I said, I really love it because it matches perfectly with the color scheme that I'm doing in my room. It has the black, the white, the beige, and I feel like it just looks really nice. It's a really beautiful comforter. But as far as like the wrinkles and the lumpiness after I wash it, I feel like it's just really, really weird. It also kind of makes it feel like, I don't know, like it wants to be a duvet, like something is in it, but it's in there wrong. And as you guys can see, I'm trying to make the cotton get back even throughout it, but it always just gives me a hard time. So I'm really thinking about just like switching this comforter out just before that reason. But yeah, this is what we're working with right now. And then I still really love these pillows that I got from Walmart from their Better Home line. They're amazing. I'm thinking about getting some for my living room area, but these pillows are very, very soft, very, very comfy. I do not too much lay on them. And now just moving on into just folding up the rest of my little extra pillowcases and sheets and things that I wash to go ahead and put in my drawer to keep off to the side, because like I said, I love to have like fresh sheets and pillowcases. So I'll just switch those out throughout, and then when I run out of all the clean ones, I'll go back into the washer to just wash everything all over. Moving on into my kitchen, I need to go ahead and fill the rest of this soap that I have in my dispenser because it was running low. I've been using this same little soap bottle since I switched it out. I love this sea salt mineral hand soap that I got from, I think, TJ Maxx or Home Goods, but I love the style of it. It's just so cute. And I just go ahead and refilling the soap in here. I had a little bit left before I throw the container away, so I wanted to go ahead and refill what I had left. And I'm just gonna place this back on the sink. I love the way it looks. I don't think I'll ever throw this bottle away. I had a green one that I used for a long time, and now I'm just going ahead and switching it out to this one. And these are some of the cleaning products that I use around my kitchen. As you guys can see, I really love lemon scented. I just feel like it gives your home a fresh smell. But I've been also trying to use more natural things. So I purchased these 7th generation all-purpose cleaner. And then now, guys, I'm going in and just cleaning the floors up a little bit. As you guys can see, we got a new puppy. Her name is Princess, and she is so adorable. She follows me around everywhere. Meet her. Say hi, Princess. But yeah, she is the best, so I have to keep the floors clean so she won't get into anything. And then now, guys, I am just going ahead and taking out the trash because I feel like the kitchen does not smell fresh and clean unless you keep the trash emptied. So I'm going ahead and doing that. I like to use these Gain scented trash bags to keep the trash can smelling fresh as well. That's what I've been on lately. So just going ahead and empty the trash, guys, and then we're gonna go ahead and take this out, and that'll be it for the reset.